first things first, this lever is what controls the up and down. If you've got it up, it's gonna drop the jacks down when you pull it in. If you leave it neutral, it won't be able to pump. Nothing's gonna happen, so you have to push it down and that'll engage the hydraulic lift in it. You have to lift it a little just to get it over these bumps on the pallet. Then just want to get this thing barely off the ground to where it's gonna move. And then we gotta turn it around. Will be the easiest way to get this thing out of here. So you bring it to the side as much as you can, and then flip it around. Once you've got it flipped around, you want to get all the way up to the right side and get just the front edge of those front wheels. And again, you want to keep it as low as possible. If you have it jacked up too much, it's going to run away from you and it's going to run right off the edge. So you want to have it just enough to where you kind of have to give it a little push over the edge. I need just a little bit more here. Might need a little bit of a start. See here, I've got just the front of this. I'm probably gonna push that side over just a tad more. And then once we get both those wheels over this line here of the lift gate, we will pivot the rest of it. And again, you wanna keep the pallet as low as possible because that's what's gonna hold it on and keep it from running away. So once I get that front edge just a little more on, I'm gonna drop it a bit lower. I felt it running, so I had to just drop it. So I'm going to jack it back up just a little bit. And you kind of just want to give it some tugs. Get it on here. It's tough to get it over this, but that's what's holding it on.
Then it can't slide off.
And then once you get it that way, get behind it, start pushing that way. And you want to keep your hand near this lever because you got to be able to drop it at any point in time. Alright, and that's as over as I'm going to get. And as you can see, since we're dropping it down, it's not a huge deal if the pallet overhangs on this. It just can't, like if it's over here, it might not want to pull it out, but when it's just a little bit over the edge, we should be fine. And just make sure it's dropped all the way down. Got this lever here, and that's what's gonna drop it down for us. So did a little bit of a drop because it was just on the edge. Just kicked itself off the edge there. You just send it the rest of the way down. But yeah, just get that down there, and once you get it all the way down, push this lever here back down to where that hydraulic will work, pump it back up, and that's usually when you'll want to be on this side of it. Pump it back up, pull it off. That's that for you.